Hello students, welcome to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to discuss von Neumann architecture. Von Neumann proposed his computer architecture design in 1945. Later, it was known as von Neumann architecture. Von Neumann architecture consists of control unit, arithmetic and logical unit, resistors and input outputs. The von Neumann architecture is based on concept of stored program computer, where instruction data and program data are stored in the same memory. This is the basic structure of von Neumann architecture. It consists of single processor, uses one memory for both instruction and data, execute programs following the fetch, decode, execute cycle. Components of von Neumann architecture are CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. CPU performs arithmetic and logical operation as it contains arithmetic and logic unit. CPU contains control unit. CPU contains resistors. So CPU performs a variety of functions dictated by the type of instruction that are incorporated in the computer. The majority of the functions are performed in ALU. ALU is arithmetic and logic unit. ALU performs the required micro operation for executing the instruction. ALU allows arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logic operation and or not, etc. to be carried out. Control unit of a computer system controls the operation of components like ALU, memory, input-output devices. Control unit consists of program counter that contains the address of instructions to be fetched and an instruction register into which instructions are fetched from memory for execution. Resistors. Resistors refer to high-speed storage area in the CPU. The data processed by the CPU are fetched from the resistor. You can see resistors. PC is program counter. Program counter is the register that contains the address of next instruction to be executed. CIR, current instruction register. This register contains current instruction during processing. AC is accumulator. This register holds the intermediate arithmetic and logic results. MAR, memory address register. This register holds the memory location of the data that needs to be accessed. MDR, memory data register. This register holds the data that is being transferred to or from memory. As you can see, input devices is connected to CPU through bus and CPU is connected to output devices through again a bus. So this is our von Neumann architecture. So basically, von Neumann architecture is a stored program in which data and program reside in the same memory unit. So there is a single memory unit in von Neumann architecture. Advantages of von Neumann architecture. Design and development of the control unit is simplified, cheaper and faster. Data from input-output devices and from memory are retrieved in the same manner. Organization of the memory is done by programmers. which allowed them to utilize the memory's whole capacity. Thank you students for listening this video.